So hello everybody, this is Dr. Jet from Guns and Kilcoa, and today I want to show you the weighted disassembling of that extremely rusty double flintlock shotgun. Today we will only disassemble it. I guess there will be some significant destructions inside the locks, and we will try to disassemble it, of course, without any damage, without accidents, because it's a very old, very nice gun, and I hope it will work well. So let's start this and bring this old lady in its parts, and then let's see what we find inside. What we will find inside. Okay. So let me start with the locks. For this, we need some screwdrivers. Yeah, I don't know the word for this. But we need this punch, yes, this manual punch, and for that we need to show the right screwdriver to it. Yes, that might work. Okay. Yes, and of course foam. Why we can open that, we can take that. How we do this? Can you see that? You can see this is most important, of course. Like this. Should look like this. Can you see that? Yes. Okay. So we need a heavy hammer. That screwdriver. Right position, and then we start with that screw here. Oh, it's working. It's working. Okay. Okay, this comes out very good. Huh. Almost perfect. Nice. Okay, now we have what we do next? So take off the hammer. Another screwdriver, another screw size. Get this one. No, it's too small. Maybe that one. Yes. Okay, so next screw. For those who didn't see the other video, because the audio was broken, what I did to this gun was I flushed it for several weeks with rust remover over and over everywhere, and so hopefully that get some rust remover inside the screw holes. And now after that procedure we try to open the screws. That screw is also is turning, but I don't want to destroy the hammer. Can I? Oh yes, that is a nice one. Ooh, it comes out, it comes out. That's very nice. Lots of rust. I guess we need a plier here. That one, I think. Carefully. No, it's not moving. Use the screwdriver. Okay. Maybe now. Okay. Oh. Another player. Okay. So as you can see, that is pure rust. And so let's check where they are the next screws we have to turn out. Nothing here. So I can guess we can try to. We need some punches. Punch to go through that hole. No, that's not to the right size. Next to this. I guess that size is too small. Or maybe now it's too short. Oh. Where I have the right tool. Could push with that screw, but I don't want. How I can. Okay, maybe we can. It's not so easy. Guess we will first do that screws here on the back, and then can you see that? So that screws here need to come out too, and I will clean that with a knife, hopefully without damaging my hand. Can you see that? Yes. That's not so good in focus. Yeah? Try. That's not. Lots of dirt. Inside. Lots of rust inside. So now we are good, I think. And now we will try. For that I stand the gun on the foam on the floor, gun on the foam, and I want you to see what I'm doing. So okay, so now I take my punch here, and then we check for the right. No, that's not the right one. It's here the right one. It's here the right one. So let's see whether that works. Okay. Let's see whether it turns. Yes. This is turning. Inside in very good condition. Interesting. I hope I don't break the gun. Here we have the same. Oh, this is a tough one. Ha ha ha. And it's moving too. That tool is 150% worth its money. When you have old screws like this, I just recommend you to buy one, and don't buy the cheap one, buy the good one. Wow. Lots of dirt, is raining all on my feet. Yeah. So here we have the stock. The stock open up. The wood is in very good condition. We are lucky here. We have a deeper crack inside here, and here we have the seam monster that need to be cleaned, but this stage we will do this later. So now we will try to remove in the next step the barrel. Okay, so next we will push out this little guy here. I'll start that. I don't know how to start here. I think it's not so easy. Don't want to destroy the wood. Because it's a bit round, and here we go. Here we go. And I'm crushing a bit between the wood and this little fella here. Okay. No. Okay. Okay, let's do one more or two more punches. One more. That's a tough guy here. No, not today. So, have I somewhere the right tool for this little fella? Maybe with that small punch here. No. Damn it. I really have to think. I have something. I just will use an old broken part of a diameter for that hole. Okay, the problem is I don't know if there's a little nail in it to hold it so that you cannot lose it in the woods. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, give it some more punches. Check on the other side. It's super heavy. This comes not out. No. That's pretty difficult. Oh. Let's try it again. Super hot. Oh, it's moving. Okay, just to show you what we are talking about. So this pretty rusty part is sticking here in that wood, and then punching on that hole, not to widen it and push that out. So it's not moving. But there cannot be so much missing. Holy crap. Here we go. Haha. So a long guy here. Okay. Here we go. So now we can try with a slight punch to divorce the barrel from the wood. Okay, hope you can see that. It moves. I think you can. So now we have here. That opening. So the barrel should come out. Carefully. Okay. Look at that. That's crazy. I got all over the here rushed. So when it was the whole gun. I got rust remover everywhere, and literally there is not much. There is not much that was flew inside. Yeah. Okay, so the barrel's out. Nice. Let's do it here. But now we have the locks. I will take it, try it with the no, not with that one, not with that hammer here. So I hope you can see. I will push. Now we'll give some punches here and there with the black side, because this is the side that's not so hard. Hopefully we will be able to punch it, take it out. And as you can see, there's lots of rust falling out. Carefully. Slight hammer punches. Okay, now it's moving. Now let's check how we come out. Now you are in there. Come out. No! The spring is, all the spring stuff, all the insides here are good, but need a real cleaning, as you can see. Okay, oh, pretty rusty. Okay, of course that here is broken, but I have it here. Well, you cannot see anything, but now you can. Let's take it out. But I will come to this later. First of all, let's end this up, or move on. Better is move that we'll move on. Oh, this is a hard one. Okay, there we go. That's tough. That's a tough one. Slight hammer punches. Slight hammer punches carefully. And here. Here. It comes out. You see? It's moving. So we are on the right track. Now we push the bit in, back again, and now out. And in and out. Now the hammer is moving. Guess we can, when the hammer is out, we cannot get out with the rest. Ooh, that's tough. Do we have a chance to turn that? No, we don't have. We don't have. Just, that's tough. Oh, it's pretty strong. Okay, so I guess I will turn in that screw and keep on hammering on this hammer. Hope it won't damage anything. Just always double check. It's an old, very old lady. And the goal is that we will fire it again. That's the goal. For that one, you need to be careful. There, come out. Ah. That's pretty tough. Can we do anything else to make that easier? I can get in here because I don't want to. Can get in here with something like a screwdriver because I don't want to damage the wood. So I think it's just the time and steadiness and rumbling that gun, that flintlock out. What happened? Something happened. What did I break? I break something. But what? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh, this was already broken. Ah, damn it. That's not an easy one. Oh, I have to search for that. Okay. See that lock here? That spring is hanged on this one here. See? It's hanged in here. And what collapsed here on that lock was that hanging piece here. See that? That's inside here. So to see both of them, to see the difference, that's right. Though here we are fine, and that here's it's broken. Okay, that is what make it so hard to get it out. So what we need is that we need to repair that little piece here. There are two possibilities. One is to repair it if I find it. The other thing is to search for something new and insert it here. We need to clean up the rest, and then yes, let's see. Yes, okay. I knew that there would be something broken, but I don't know that it would be that one. And I need to search for that little item. Okay. Later. For now, don't want that. Huh. See here? Another screw for that piece. See that screw? Right. Okay, and here we have another screw here, and here that's all rust. So I guess I will start with that screw first, and then the other. So here we need again our punch, and I guess we need a second foam or a wood. No, second foam. And a punch. Not punch. The punch. No, this is too big. Still too big. Just a small one. Small punch. Where it is? Problem of a small working bench is that we don't find anything. Here it is. Here it is. Okay. Let's hope that works. Yeah, it's pretty small. No. 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 Didn't make it really better. It's too small, too big. That's too big. What about that one? It's moving. Yes. No. Damn it. It's moving. It's me moving. Okay. I'm not sure pretty how to, if I am on the right track. Maybe it goes in the other direction. No. Okay, though I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Just try to turn it. And it's turning. Slowly, but it's turning. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Never seen a screw like that before. That's an interesting one. So that's a screw. Okay. That's it. Damn handmade. High professional handmade. Okay, now we have to push out that piece of metal here. I can. Aha. It was easy. Okay. See that? dirt all over the stock. So last screw. Here we definitely need that punch here on that screw. Yes. Okay. Pressure on it and ready to punch. Okay, that's not moving. That's no one. Okay. Damn it. Damn it. Maybe we can clean it up a bit. Okay. Let's try again. Another one thing, another screwdriver. Another size, no, that size. Yes. Okay, that fits. The other one was too small. Now let's try. Come on, buddy. And you're mine. Carefully. Carefully. Okay. Boy, I'm sweating. Whew. I'm sweating, guys. That was not an easy one. Carefully. Okay. Okay. So now, oh, okay, let's see. Normally we can push it back, and then okay, here we have. So here inside is a stick here for that two triggers. And now we are out here. That guy needs to push it out too. Okay, but from which side? I will try it with the drill, with the old drill size. No, it's too big. But the other hand, that's too big here. But we need to push it out in that direction. Okay, let's see. Push it on the right side. See where it moves. No, it's not too big. Just I don't see where to give the punches. Here. No, here. Okay, let me stop and check that out.